my name is Sherlyn and I'm a Peppi girl. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your Peppi nails when you're ready for a new set. So I already heated up my rice. You could use hot water if you want. I prefer rice because it's less messy and I could reuse this. I've been reusing this for like about, I don't know, 6-7 months now, longer maybe. But it's a lot easier for me and it stays hot a lot longer than water would. So I have the hot rice. I got my paper towel. Just put that in your Ziploc bag. And I use this one, Soak Off, but just use any pure acetone. It'll help remove it a lot faster if you use pure acetone. So just pour enough in the bag to cover the paper towel and just have like a little extra sitting out. Put that in the rice, let it get hot a little bit, and then the process might take a little bit longer for me because I do have glitter on and some gems, but normally if you do it right and your rice is pretty hot, it'll take about 5-10 minutes tops. So once you're ready, you just put your nails in, you kind of go in the bag and you just scrub it like this. So this is why I prefer rice, because with all the scrubbing that you're doing, with water it would be splashing all over the place and it's just a whole lot of mess that I don't feel like cleaning up. And also with water, by now the water would probably be cold already. Also, if you feel like you can go hotter with the rice, and try to, if you feel like it's already a little too cold for you or too warm, you can just go back to the microwave and heat it up some more, because the hotter it is, the quicker your Peppi will get removed. Also, some prefer to add coconut oil or some kind of oil in the bag to help your nails or your skin not get too dry. Personally, I noticed that with adding oil, it makes the process longer for me to remove my nails, so I stopped and I just put like a lot of extra lotion after I'm done. Just the part with the gems taking longer. Oops. Alright, and now I'm done. I'm ready for another Peppi cure. My name is Sherlyn and thanks for watching.